Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 233011 on Windows, then please watch this video for the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet speed. Search for fast.com in the in the search bar and check the internet speed. The next solution is to clear browser cache and cookies. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on this bin-like symbol here, and then click on clear now. The next solution is to disable hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then go to system and performance, and then in the right pane you can uncheck the switch for or disable the switch for use graphics acceleration when available. The last solution is to remove browser extensions. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions from the menu, go to manage extensions, and then if you have any extensions here, then remove them. I mean any ones which are not very well known ones, especially security extensions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.